Dear students, welcome to this digital lecture series. Today we are going to see another important topic in relativity, and it is the relativistic addition of velocities. So consider two frames of reference S and S dash. This frame which I have shown with the primed axis y dash, z dash, x dash. This frame is the S dash frame and this is the S frame. At time t is equal to 0 means initially the origin of these two frames O and O dash, they coincide with each other. Now let the frame S dash be moving with a velocity v with respect to the frame S in the positive x direction, so that after a time t, the frame S dash, it should have moved a distance vt ahead of the frame S. Now let dx, dy, dz with a displacement which is measured in the frame of reference S in the small time dt. The same displacement, if it is measured in the frame of reference S dash, then it will be dx dash, dy dash, dz dash, and it is measured in the time dt dash. Let ux, uy, uz be the components of velocity which are measured in the frame of reference S, and we know that velocity is equal to ratio of displacement upon time. Therefore, we can write ux is equal to dx upon dt, uy is equal to dy upon dt, and uz is equal to dz upon dt. Now let ux dash, uy dash, uz dash with the component of velocities which are measured in the frame of reference S dash. By using the same logic, we can write ux dash is equal to dx dash upon dt dash, uy dash is equal to dy dash upon dt dash, uz dash is equal to dz dash upon dz dash, and this whole set of equation form our equation 2, and they give the component of velocities in the S dash frame. Now here we are going to make use of Lorentz inverse transformations, and we know that the x coordinate in inverse transformation is given by x is equal to beta times x dash plus vt dash, y is equal to y dash, z is equal to z dash, and the time coordinate t is equal to beta times t dash plus vx dash upon c square. And what was beta? It is beta is equal to 1 upon under root of 1 minus v square upon c square. This is equation 3. Just differentiate equation 3. So we obtained dx is equal to beta times dx dash plus v dt dash, dy is equal to dy dash, dz is equal to dz dash, and the time coordinate if differentiated, it gives dt is equal to beta times dt dash plus v dx dash upon c square. And remember that this v is the constant speed with which the frame of reference S dash moves with respect to the frame S along the positive x-axis direction. So from equation 1 and 4, equation 1 gives ux is equal to dx upon dt. Substitute the values of dx and dt. So I get ux is equal to beta times dx dash plus v dt dash divided by beta times dt dash plus v dx dash upon c square. So divide by dt dash in the numerator and denominator. So it gives me ux is equal to dx dash upon dt dash plus v divided by 1 plus v upon c square dx dash upon dt dash. Now, by using equation 2, we can substitute for dx dash upon dt dash. In equation 2, we have seen that dx dash upon dt dash is equal to ux dash, that is the x component of velocity in the frame s dash. So therefore I get ux is equal to ux dash plus v divided by 1 plus v upon c square ux dash. This is my equation 5, and it gives the x component of velocity in the frame s. Similarly, uy is equal to dy upon dt, and if I make the substitutions, I can get uy is equal to dy dash upon beta times dt dash plus v dx dash upon c square. So divide by dt dash in numerator and denominator, we get uy is equal to dy dash upon dt dash divided by 1 plus v upon c square dx dash upon dt dash, and if we use the equation 2, we can substitute dy dash upon dt dash is equal to uy dash, and this dx dash upon dt dash is equal to ux dash. So finally I get uy is equal to uy dash divided by beta times 1 plus v upon c square ux dash. This is my equation 6. It gives me the x component of velocity in the frame s. On the same logic, same mathematical steps, we can derive that the z component of velocity uz, it is equal to uz dash upon beta times 1 plus v upon c square ux dash. This is our equation 7. So equation 5, 6 and 7, they give the velocity components in the frame s in terms of the velocity components in the frame s dash. Equation 5, 6 and 7, they are called the equations for relativistic addition of velocities. Now, if you observe this equation in the Cartesian coordinates, we have ux is equal to ux dash plus v divided by 1 plus v upon c square ux dash. Vy is equal to under root of 1 minus v square upon c square uy dash upon 1 plus v upon c square ux dash. How did I get these under root of 1 minus v square upon c square here? In the numerator, it was because if you observe that previous equation, uy is equal to uy dash divided by beta times 1 plus v upon c square ux dash, and beta is equal to 1 upon under root of 1 minus v square upon c square. So this under root of 1 minus v square upon c square in the denominator goes in the numerator. So we get this equation, and uz is equal to under root of 1 minus v square upon c square uz dash divided by 1 plus v upon c square ux dash. The three equations for ux, uy and uz give me the component of velocities in frame s. Now if I obtain the inverse of this equation, I can get the component of velocities in the frame s dash. What I have to do? I have to just change the sign of velocity. Wherever there is plus, I have to write minus and vice versa, and I have to change the primed quantities with the simple quantity and vice versa. So instead of ux, I can write ux dash is equal to ux minus v divided by 1 plus v upon c square ux, and uy dash is equal to under root of 1 minus v square upon c square uy divided by 1 minus v upon c square ux. And similarly, uz dash is equal to under root of 1 minus v square upon c square uz divided by 1 minus v upon c square into ux. These give me inverse Lorentz transformations. If these are known, I can obtain this set of equations. So, by making use of relativistic addition of velocities, let us try to show that speed of light is a universal constant in all frame of reference. Remember that it was one of the postulates of special theory of relativity, that speed of light is a universal constant. It has a constant value in all the directions, in all the frame of references. So here we are going to use the concept of relativistic addition of velocities. So as usual, consider two frame of references S and S dash, where S dash is moving with a constant velocity v with reference or with respect to the frame S along the positive x-axis direction. Now let a light photon be emitted in the frame S dash and let the photon travel with a speed c along the positive x-axis, where c is the speed of light. We know that light is made up of large number of photons, and if light travels with a speed of c, then the photons should also travel with a speed c. And since this velocity of the photon, remember that the photon is emitted in the frame of reference S dash. So the velocity of the photon in S dash and C, which is traveling along the x direction, means the x component of the velocity of photon, that is ux dash, it will be equal to c. Why I have taken it to be ux dash? Because the photon is emitted in the S dash frame and it is traveling along the x-axis. So I have taken it to be ux dash. And since the photon is traveling with the speed c, ux dash is equal to c. Now let the speed of this light photon, same light photon, if measured in the frame of reference S, let it be ux. The velocity of photon as measured in the frame of reference S be ux. Now by relativistic addition of velocities, we have the formula that ux is equal to ux dash plus v divided by 1 plus v upon c square ux dash. And we know that ux dash is equal to c. So put the value of ux dash as c in above equation. So we get ux is equal to c plus v divided by 1 plus v upon c square into c. I have substituted instead of ux dash c. So I get this is equal, ux is equal to c plus v divided by this 1 c will get cancelled here and this c plus v. So c plus v divided by c. So this c plus v in the numerator gets cancelled with this c plus v and I get the answer is equal to c. Therefore I get ux is equal to c. Now ux dash, that is the x component of velocity in frame s dash, is equal to c, and also we have obtained that x component of velocity in frame s, that is ux, is equal to c. So what can we conclude from this? That the speed of light in both the frame of references s and s dash, it is same. It is constant and equal to c. Therefore our conclusion is that the speed of light is a universal constant. It has a same value, a constant value in all the frame of references. So that's all about the relativistic addition of velocities. Have a nice day.